Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And this incident again happened between July 2019 to February 2020. So I exactly do not remember exact timing, but this was somewhere around these times only. So when this friend's incident happened, and then I shifted at this Twin Flames place. So there I took a decision that I will have to take care of my situation, and otherwise I will not be able to punish this person, and everything will be destroyed in my own life, as I was about to complete that 10 years of journey. Also, when I joined a new company, so there was not much work to do that. So that time I had a lot of time for myself, and then within 4 to 5 months I was able to calm down my situation and to myself. And then I started again fetching out the information about this person who actually killed her. So I found the information that this person was targeting those girls who were working professionally working, and then trapping them in the trap of false love, taking away all the money savings from them, and then killing them. So this person was in such kind of a profession. And also, because of this situation, as there were back to back other situations were happening in my life, so my anger was getting increased day by day. So there I decided, no, I will be punishing this person now. And as I am in that situation now, mentally I was fine. So divine said, step back, you will not do anything in this situation, as it was her karma. You don't have to do anything in this. So I said how it was her karma, what she has done. So divine reminded me of one experience during my school days, as she was a neighbor, and we were living close to each other's house. So it was a time wherein I had to go out of my house to check out the center of my exam. So father said he was busy, he cannot go because of office work, and mother said she will not go because she wanted me to get failed in my exam, so that she can force me for marriage. She has tried her level best. So when she denied, she will not go, and I was not traveling outside the house that time. So I had no idea how to go alone. So that time I spoke with this friend, and she said I can take you out to that place, I can show you the exam center. So I agreed, and then she took me through we were traveling by bus. It was a lot of things which I experienced. This was first time I was traveling in bus. So this was my first experience while traveling in bus, and that time I experienced it was a crowded bus. So there was a guy who was trying to maybe touch her physically, and then she actually slapped him. So this girl was talented, also bold, and she was not somebody who would be scared of anyone. So I knew this girl is so bold and so independent that she can do anything, and I was proud of her. But also at the same time, she used to tell me that in her family, that she will not be in friendship with boys or other masculines, otherwise they will do this and that. She was threatened by her parents. Also, as this female had only one elder sister, she didn't had any brother. So both her parents used to taunt these two females about son. If there was a son, he could have done this and that for them. So that was a frequent taunting done by both of her parents. She used to tell me that thing. Also, there was one incident she shared with me that time, that there was a fight going on between her father and some of the relative, I guess, wherein the blood was inside the house because of those fight. So what she did, there was a bottle of alcohol which she drank entire bottle because she was angry. So I thought if there was a fight going on, you could have tried to stop them, otherwise you could have gone away from there. Otherwise, what was the need of drinking that alcohol bottle, that to the entire bottle? Yeah, I questioned that within myself. So she used to travel alone, go ahead and even visit malls and other things she was doing outside her house. I thought maybe as her parents do not have time, or they do not want to go, that is why she is doing it, which is a good thing. You should be independent. But during those time, once I experienced extreme jealousy in this female, and that was so visible in her words, and that was against me. And this jealousy I experienced only after she helped me for this exam center. So I actually ignored that extreme jealousy in her. Maybe because the help she did, that was a lot of help for me, because parents wanted me to get failed in my exam so that they can force me for marriage. But if she could not take me to that exam center, I could have definitely failed in my exam. So because of that one help, I actually ignored her extreme jealousy, within her for me, wherein I knew she was such a bold and beautiful girl. Physically, she was a beauty, real beauty. But then I understood that was a jealousy, but intentionally I ignored that. So that was a reminder, divine giving me that you experienced this, extreme jealousy in her. That yes, we understood you experienced it only once, but she was also thinking a lot of other things about you and was planning something which you ignored it on purpose probably. So now the concern was I did not spend a lot of time with this female because I didn't have time, and also we were neighbors, so we were not that much into chit chatting or roaming around here and there. So maybe because of that thing I have ignored a lot of things in her. Another thing I thought, and I agree, usually in previous times I used to ignore other person's jealousy or other selfish mean behavior only once. I would not ignore again and again. So this was the thing which I experienced once, and then after that, because of some incidents, we both were got disconnected because I started working after 12th and she was also working. So we were in sort of no communication. We didn't even meet. She was staying at a distance from my house because she was staying in the same area but not that close. So that was the reason that we both were disconnected and we didn't even get a chance to talk to each other. So if I experience jealousy in someone back to back, then definitely I myself cut off that person from my life. So if this was the scenario with that girl, if I could have experienced the same sort of jealousy again, I myself have removed myself from that person's life. But no, that was just one situation. So divine said you did not know a lot of things what she was planning against you, and that was your mistake. So because she helped you once and you ignored her extreme jealousy, so this was her karma because we knew what she was planning against you. So I told to divine, okay, I understand, as I have promised I will not be coming in front of the karmic justice, and but again, as I was so angry, so I said you have to punish these humans on earth no matter what. Either you punish or I punish. If I start punishing, then there'll be a lot of damage done on the planet through me. So choice is yours. One has to do this punishment on earth about these humans no matter what. And then corona came and everybody is aware about what humans have experienced on planet earth. Everything is being visible. So and then I backed out. I was asked not to even think about this persons again. Also divine told me this guy became her karma because this was her bad karma, dirty karma, not bad karma, because I wasn't about aware about a lot of things about her herself. So and then divine also said the guy, he will also be killed by someone else, that too soon, because this is a karmic cycle wherein one person becomes their karma, and then other person also come in their life as karma itself. So this is a cycle, this will be done. You don't have to worry about it, and you have to back out from this situation. You will not be thinking about it. So divine actually took a commitment from me that I will not be even thinking about this situation again, and I will not do anything about this. So I said okay, so I promised divine I will not be thinking about this situation anymore, and I will not be even getting into this. That was a commitment given by me. So I backed out completely because I thought earlier as there was no justice done by her family, so I had to do something being a friend. But when I was threatened and warned by divine that to back out from this particular situation as it was a karma. So now the lesson is as chosen ones, twin flame star seeds are actually emotional beings, and they do avoid jealousy many times, maybe because they are being taught you should avoid that, you should ignore that then why you are called as good human. No, if you avoid that, you will be paying for it. So if you experience jealousy from anyone, be it from your own family members or from outsiders, you should never ignore that. You should cut that person out of your life or stop giving them access to your life. Also, there are a lot of things are being planned against twin flames and chosen ones on planet, so that they can be trapped in so many other dirty situations. And you will find these people are not outsiders. You will find them in your own people. So be alert, be aware. You cannot just trust somebody blindly, and don't let your emotions to be involved while dealing with humans. This is what you will have to take care in your life. So as lot of secrets were revealed about these people after my awakening, that I will share in upcoming videos. But then twin flames needs to be careful when it comes about building a relationship with anybody, and even as a friend, be mindful of those relationships with humans. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.